Chaz eating cereal for the first time. See how he likes it. Ugh.
Pretty water down. Here.
Oh gosh, Mom. Let's try this again, see if he likes it. You gonna like it this time?
He's already gagging, just the look of it.
Oh. Son, how do you like that? Oh my gosh. What's Mom doing to you?
Just try a little bit more. I don't want the spoon to go down your throat.
Just wait for a minute. Oh my gosh, Mom. What do you think about that? What do you think about that? Is it not too good?
Just try one.
Yeah? Oh, there you go, a little burp.
Oh,
Oh.
and everything came back up. Must not like it too much.